Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Sekolah Menengah Sains Alam Shah want to present our project, which is Bioplastic.
Firstly, I want to introduce our group member. My name is Adam Raya Haida as project manager.
Hi, I'm Iziman and I'm as the main presenter.
Hello, I'm Is Fayed as a brainstormer.
Hi, I'm Ashraf Aziz as graphic designer.
First and foremost, we are going to discuss about the topic. Bioplastic is a type of plastic made from natural sources such as tuna gluten, and it differs from conventional plastic which is produced from petroleum. In the context of global issues, the waste disposal crisis has reached a critical level with over 2 billion tons of municipal solid waste generated annually include open dumping, methane gas emissions, plastic and e-waste pollution, and high management costs. Bioplastic is important in addressing these issues because it helps reduce dependence on fossil fuels and lowers environmental pollution. Some bioplastics can decompose naturally or even dissolve in water, reducing long-term waste accumulation. However, challenges such as high production costs and limited technology still exist. Overall, bioplastic offers a promising solution to global environmental problems and supports the goal of a more sustainable future.
For the problem statement is, firstly, the widespread use of petroleum-based plastic has caused serious environmental pollution as plastic waste is difficult to decompose and continues to accumulate. This led to harm to ecosystem and human health. Therefore, there is a need to develop environmental-friendly alternatives such as bioplastic to reduce plastic pollution and dependence on conventional plastic.
Second, the heavy use of conventional plastic has led to long-term waste accumulation because they are not easily biodegradable. This causes pollution in oceans and on the land, harming marine life and possibly human health through microplastic in the environment.
Lastly, the increasing amount of plastic waste has created serious challenges in waste management as conventional plastics are not easily biodegradable and take a very long time to break down. This has resulted in overflowing landfills, high disposal costs, and growing environmental pollution in both land and water areas.
Next, let's talk about the explanation. This project focuses on developing bioplastic made from natural sources such as tuna gluten as an alternative to conventional petroleum-based plastics. The main aim is to reduce environmental pollution caused by non-biodegradable plastic waste. In this project, the bioplastic is produced through a process that involves mixing natural materials with suitable additives to form a flexible and usable plastic-like material. The effectiveness of the bioplastic is then observed based on its strength, flexibility, and ability to decompose or dissolve in water. Through this project, it can be seen that bioplastic have the potential to reduce waste accumulation and lessen harm to the environment. It also helps raise awareness about sustainable materials and encourages the use of eco-friendly alternatives in daily life. Overall, this project highlights the importance of innovation in creating solutions to global environmental problems.
Why is it important? First, important to the environment because it helps reduce pollution by decreasing the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. Furthermore, it reduces the long-term burden on waste management system by decreasing the volume of non-biodegradable waste that need to be collected.
It helps create a more sustainable environment by reducing greenhouse gas emissions and conserving natural resources. Lastly, it protects ecosystem and wildlife from harm caused by plastic waste and other non-biodegradable materials as animals may mistake plastic for food.
The goals for environment is to lower air, water, and land pollution by reducing harmful waste and encouraging eco-friendly practice, which helps maintain a cleaner, safer, and healthier environment for humans, animals, and ecosystems. Furthermore, to use natural resources wisely and efficiently so they are not overused, ensuring important resources like water, forests, and fossil fuels can be preserved and remain available for future generations.
Not only that, it encourages people in society to become more aware of environmental issues. For instance, pollution and to take responsibility in protecting the environment through daily practice like recycling and reducing plastic use.
For the future is, first, to significantly reduce and eventually eliminate the use of non-biodegradable plastic by promoting alternatives such as improving recycling system and encouraging responsible consumption so that less waste is produced. Second, to create and widely use environmentally friendly materials such as bioplastic that can reduce pollution, support recycling, and provide safer alternatives to conventional plastic for a more sustainable future.
To conclude, the increasing problem of plastic waste and environmental pollution highlights the urgent need for sustainable solutions such as bioplastics. By reducing dependence on petroleum-based plastics, improving waste management, and promoting eco-friendly practices, we can protect ecosystems, improve public health, and conserve natural resources. Although there are challenges like high production costs and limited technology, continuous efforts and innovation can help overcome these issues. Ultimately, adopting bioplastics and sustainable habits is essential to create a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future for all.
That's all from us. Thank you.